15th. This is our 27th birthday. This is the flight of the Hippogriff. Say hi, Brandon.
Hi, Colin.
You having a good time?
Yep. Beware. Forest in the ground.
Here we go. Hold on tight. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Ah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Well, as you can see, folks, we've survived this trip. Hope to see you again next year. Love you all. Bye.